Yeah, okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kimbweta session, and this is social protection. We are going to discuss about the welfare regimes. Yeah, don't confuse about welfare regimes and social welfare states. But also welfare regimes, we say this also is a protection, collection of several protection which a state provide to its citizens so that they can live their life in minimum life standard. It means they will live with well-being of life. So according to somebody who is called the Spinning Anderson, categorize these welfare states into three categories. The first is liberal welfare state, second is corporatist welfare state, and the third is the social democratic welfare state. Let us look one after another. Okay, let us start with liberal welfare state. This is most common in Anglo-Saxon countries, and the main characteristics of this is individuality and the primacy of the market. What does it mean? This means that the citizen themselves, they give themselves their social well-being by fighting in their life. For example, within a community, people fight themselves to make sure that their society or their fellows who are invulnerable to have some life standard, maybe life standard in the minimum level. And the second is the primacy of the market. What does it mean? Primacy of the market, it means that the market itself operates, for example, the private pension plans stimulated by the government. Now let us look, what is private pension plans? It means that these pension schemes which are being started by the private peoples and they are stimulated by the government so that they can give pensions or they can give benefits to the member when they face various contingents. Now, before we go far, we look this private pensions like a means tested assistance, mean that before you being given a benefit, you have to be tested that whether your income, you cannot afford to live the minimum life by using your own income. It means kama mtu hawezi kuishi mwenyewe kwa kutumia income yake mwenyewe. Kwa hiyo tunamtest na kuna means za kumtest mtu, labda wataangalia kipato chako per day. Kama ni level of poverty, how poverty you are. Kwa hizo ndo. Nyingine wataangalia modesty, universal transfer, labda wanaweza wakatumia kama transfer mbalimbali zinakuwa zinafanyika, au modest social insurance plans. Insurance plan mbalimbali zinaweza kutengenezwa pia ili ziweze kumsaidia huyu mtu aweze kuishi. Hii ni kwa mujibu wa liberal welfare. Second, tunaenda kuangalia aina nyingine ya welfare state. Lakini kabla tuongelee nyingine, lazima tuangalie hata mifano ya baadhi ya nchi ambazo zina apply sana hii. Mfano wa nchi hizo ni kama Marekani, ni Canada, Australia na nchi zingine ambazo zinafanya hivyo. Utajitafutia mwenyewe. Shako.